As part of your Mayflower 7 Steps, I would like you to have a go at reading one of the books from Book Club, have a go at doing one of the reading challenges, have a go at completing a second reading comp in your CGP book, and finally listen to me reading Varjak Paw at 4 o'clock. You can listen to this on Twitter, and you can listen to the chapters 1 and 2 on the newsletters from this week, or at the end of this presentation. Oh no, I've forgotten how to log into Book Club. Don't worry, just follow these simple steps and you will soon be logging on. Remember that your username, your password and your school code A96Q is on the front of your reading journal. Yesterday 123 stories were heard. We want to try and beat 200, so come on Year 4, see what you can do. Now, on to the reading challenges. Have you had a look at the challenges? Mr. Loss and I have been doing them. Take your pick as to which one you would like to do today. It's your choice. I'm going to do challenge 3 today, so I'm going to draw and write a book that links with our topic that I've learnt in school. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to do a Viking or an Anglo-Saxon book, or whether I'm going to do an ancient Greek book. You will just have to wait and see. But it's your choice. Again, you choose. Now, it's time to have a go at the reading comprehension. That's your CGP books. Today we're going to look at pages 4 and 5. The first thing you need to do is have a good browse of both pages. Have a look. What do you notice? Is there a title? What does it tell you? Are there any text boxes? And are there any subheadings? If so, have a really good look. 3 before you see. Look back onto page 5. Look at the first 3 questions. What do you notice? What type of questions are they? Are they inference or are they retrieval? What do they want you to do? Now you need to look at the first 3 questions again. Which words help you to understand the question? Which words guide you to what you should be looking for? A top tip here, if it asks you to look for 1 features, how many features do you think you should look for? That's right, just 1. Underline the key words in the first 3 questions that will help you to find the information in the text easily. Normally, that tells you who is doing the action, what are they doing, and what do you need to do. Top tips for preloading. If you see a question that asks why, it's really easy. Just answer with because. If you see a question asking do you think, start your answer with I think. This is called preloading. Now we're moving on to skimming and scanning. You need to go back to page 4 and you need to read the whole of the text. Now the top tip for this is to use your pencil and your eyes to slightly read ahead of yourself. Track the words as you read. Next job, underline a number. So go back to page 5, look at the questions again, and I would suggest that you reread them. Skim and scan the text again and find the answers to the questions. Remember to underline the information in the text and to put the number of the question next to the underlined text. So in your question 1, for example, how does Chloe feel about John eating the cake? Skim and scan till you find the information. Look for the clues. How does Chloe feel? Chloe had noticed the cake had crumbs. Chloe was furious. Chloe was about to erupt like a volcano. Chloe was not in the mood for excuses. So what you need to do is underline it and put a number 1 next to it. So you know when you go back to answer question number 1 that basically you've done most of the work. Now it's time to do the transfer. Woohoo! It's time to go back to the questions and use your knowledge from the text to answer the questions. So just a few little points for you to look. Have you preloaded the answer? Have you skimmed and scanned? Have you underlined and numbered? Okay, it's over to you. Don't forget to read all of the text boxes. Sometimes we make silly mistakes when we answer these questions because we forget to look in the text boxes at the top. So have a good look. Next job, Varjak Paw. So I know that we've read a few chapters together in class already, but I thought it would be really nice to go back from the beginning and share this online so that not just us, not just Year 4 can hear it, but the whole world can hear about Varjakpur. So I've read chapter 1 and chapter 2, and if you click on the blue links below, you will be able to listen. And today at 4 o'clock, I'm going to read chapter 3. So enjoy. Mr. Loss and I would just like to say, well done, Year 4. We are super proud of everything that you're doing. Keep going.